this video I am going to show you what the basic fundamentals of the classes. Whenever you are programming in Java or C++, there are classes. Now what are classes? Basically I will not go into the concept of the object-oriented programming, but I want to tell you a class is basically it has attributes, it has operations. Operations are also known as method. Basically if you see that this class has attributes, it may have more than one attributes as you can see, and it may have operations, more than one operation. They are known as methods. Then there is generalized class and a specialized class. This generalized class is actually shown here, and this is a specialized class. I'll come to it later. And then there is aggregate and component. Aggregate class is basically like a publisher actually having a lot of titles under it. That's what is known as aggregate. And this is the base class and role. As you can see, each time the object of the base class adopts and role, new sets of the role attributes for the transition for it. And then we have this is a class A, this is class B, and this is class AB. This class actually is just like one-to-one, many-to-many relationship, and this has been broken down to A and B. In a many-to-many relationship, this will make it one-to-many and again one-to-many, and this can be joined. This class is basically a join between both of them. Okay, going further into classes, let me explain it to you. The visibility of the attributes and the methods or the operations in the classes. In the UML it is called the operations. As you can see, basically if you see, this is a to package, if you can see, and if you are looking at it, I have an open account class here which has a create account, method create account, and if you see there's a plus sign before it. The plus sign represents that this attribute has been declared as a public. This is declared as a public, and so what happens is that once this has been declared as a public, so any of the classes in any of the package can access this attribute and this method. However, one should remember, we should not try to, even this class can access this create account, method create account, the attribute as well as the method, and whatever is declared, and you declare it with the, as you can see, the plus sign represents that the create account attribute and a method create account has been declared as public. And this is specialized class. This specialized class is basically inherited from the open account class. So as you can see, it has also inherited the create account method. Check balance can also access the create account attribute method because it has been declared public. One should try to avoid declaring the attributes and method as public, because really any other class, any other package can modify the attribute, which can be actually very dangerous when you do not want some other class in some other package to be accessing that attribute or the method. Okay, now let's go first. The accessibility was public. As you can see, this was public, but it stands with the plus sign. Now let's go to the another accessibility, that is, as you can see, this is another method. Okay, this is another method. This is known as protected. Protected is basically, you can see that it is represented with the hash. You can see here with the hash, as you can see. And now that this method is, we have a create account and we have a method that create method. This is the attribute again, and this is a method. This is class balance. This is check balance. This is another class in another package. This is a specialized class which is inherited from the open account. Now basically, if you see in this when it is declared as protected with a hash, only class that are inherited from this class, open account class, can access the protected attribute and protected method, irrespective of whether they are in the same package or a different package. No other class, even if they are in the same package, can access the attribute that are protected. So the class balance cannot access the attribute or the method that is protected. The check balance also cannot, though it's in another package, cannot access it. However, because the specialized class has been inherited from the open account, this can actually access the create account attribute or the methods or the operation method create account. This is the operation. This is also can be accessed by the specialized class, as you can see here. And now we have covered the public and the protected, and now we will move to the package visibility. Now again, if you see, the package visibility is actually shown with the title, as you can see here. As it is here, it is shown with this sign. And if you see that the package visibility has the, what happens is that when you put it in the package visibility, then means it is only available in that package only. The other package to other package, it is invisible. So even though the specialized class was inherited from the open account, still it cannot see the create account attribute or the operations that as method case account. So this remains invisible, though to the even to the class that is inherited in other package. But however, the class balance can see the create account attribute and the method create account, that is the operation create account, operation method create account. And because this is package visibility, so this is available, the visibility lies in this package only. So all the classes in this package can actually access the attributes and the methods that are declared as for the package visibility with a title sign. Now the last package visibility is known as private. This is the most restricted type of the visibility you can have. The thing is that in the private, you declare with there's a dash sign before the package visibility, as you can see. However, whenever you try to access it, no other class in the same package or outside that in other package, or the class inherited from that package or from that class in another package or in the same class, can access this thing that is private. The only the class that is has been declared can access the attributes and methods. So it is hidden to the every other class in every other package. That is it. That was it about the accessibility about the package. More in next. Thank you very much for watching.